So hi all, welcome back. I hope you are watching this in series. We are doing great questions. So we have done sets, then few questions on that. We will continue with that only. So if you like watching my videos, please like the video, share, and please do subscribe. Okay, just a request. If you love watching my videos, please do subscribe so that as many people can watch it. So this is free, I'm not charging any fees. Some of you have asked me to give tuitions, so it's not that I don't need money, and I do need, because lots of things are there. But I cannot guarantee you that if I take tuitions now, so after 1 or 2 months my college will start, and I cannot guarantee that I will be able to finish the whole syllabus. See, GATE is a big syllabus, I'm not scaring you out here, but for me, if I take this responsibility that I am going to finish the subject, so all the subjects, so I should do that. So I am not able to give that commitment. If I give my word, I have to keep it. So that's why I'm not taking any tuitions, and also I'm trying to make as many videos as possible now, so that when my college starts, I don't know, because I'm from a private college, what will I know about IITs, how they work. So that's why I'm making more and more videos now. I'm working extensively now, extensively, whatever I was saying, that I'm working really hard to make videos now. So if you love watching, so do subscribe, and if any of your friends is preparing, do tell them. Okay, so this is free. If you watch any of this, you are getting any help out of this, please do subscribe. Okay, so let's not go on and on, make this video longer. So let's see this question. So this type of question, Venn diagram question, I'm not going to take any more. Okay, so I will try to do the some other type of questions, the tricky ones or different ones. So Venn diagram question, I think this one is last. There are a lot of more questions are there available, so please do that. I will suggest you to practice them also. This one I will take, let's say this example, Venn diagram, not Venn diagram is not given. So GATE 2005 1 mark question. A, B and C mean non-empty sets, and let x is equals to this, y is equals to this, which are now the following is true. So this is easily can be done by Venn diagram, like finding from this stuff. Let's see and do by Venn diagram only. So this is our universe, this is A, okay, A, B, and let's just see. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So always I feel like when I am doing this, this remind me of Dark Sick Pundus, like this it was there na, in Dark series. If you have watched it, it's one hell of a series, one of a kind only. Let's move on. Okay, so now x is A minus B, you have to do first, then minus C, and y is A minus C minus of B minus C. Okay, so A minus B, so A is whole thing. If we take out B, so it will remain 1 and 4, and minus C is containing 4 5. So write it properly. Okay, so one of my college professor used to tell me, don't make it a Chowmein. Okay, so second bracket has to write like this, something like this. So it will be, this is not a Chowmein. Okay, so write it properly. Yeah, it's hilarious, I know, but I do like this. So C is containing 4 5 6 7. So now 1 4 minus all this, only 4 part is common, so and then so 1 is coming. So now let's see this A minus C. So A is containing all this, so minus C means 1 and 2. B minus C, B is containing this. If you are taking out C, it is containing 2 and 3. So only common part here is from this, if we are subtracting, so 2 is common part, it will go, so this is 1. So this is basically equal. Okay, so x is equals to y, first option is correct, all these are false. Okay, so I hope this is understandable. So there are a lot of more questions. I hope you practice them by your own, because I want to take more examples which are other type of text examples. Okay, so let's move on. I will erase this and I will do this. So actually I made the video and then I saw the recording was not happening, so that's why just there are blue lines here and there, so I have to merge the video, which is also hectic work for me because I'm not good at this. So I just love teaching, and now I have to do I have learnt a little bit of this editing, not editing, just merging only. So let's come to this. Okay, so I've already wasted time. So now let's see, this was asked in GATE 2005 IT 2 marks question. So let A be a set with n elements. Okay, so let's take A has 2 elements, 1 and 2. Okay, so there are n elements. Let's just take, for sake of example, we are taking 2 elements are there, 1 and 2. So C is a collection. Okay, so this is important. C is a collection of distinct, okay, so this is important, distinct subset of A. Okay, such that this is important, distinct subset of A. So what all subsets are possible from these two subset possible? Here let me write it here, 5, then 1, then 2 singleton sets, and 1 and 2. This and this are trivials. So okay, so empty set and the whole thing is trivial, they are trivial. So now C is a collection of distinct subsets possible. So let's say here it is given such that any two subset S1 and S2 in C, either S1 is a subset of S2 or S2 is a subset of S1. So let me say, if 1 is taken, I was just checking if it's recording or not. I am afraid actually if it is recording. So let's say C is we have taken 1, and see this maximum set we are taking 1 and 2, so that to become maximize. So now 1 is, C is containing 5 is there, 1 and 2. Okay, so C is containing this, so this is subset of this. Okay, so 1 say this is subset of this, you can understand this, right? So if we take 2, this subset, and C is coming as 5, this is 2 and this is 1 and 2. See, we would have not taken this, but since we are trying to maximize, see here it has asked maximum cardinality of C, so that's why you are taking this. So you have to take this, so this is a subset of this, so this is a subset of this. So now we had 2 elements, right? And now you can see this is containing 3, here it is also containing 3. So we can understand 2 plus 1 is 3. So for 2 there are 3 coming, the cardinality is coming as 3. So cardinality, I think I have mentioned in previous while it was not recording. So cardinality means total number of elements possible. Let's say 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the elements here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the cardinality is 5. That total number of elements present here. So the cardinality is 3 here, 1, 2, 3. These are all the present here. So like this. So for n, it will contain n plus 1. The cardinality will come down to as n plus 1. So B is our correct option. So this is same kind of Venn diagram question. I told I will not make another question, but I feel this is a bit tougher than what I have done. So how many times I say this, but I still feel that people may have students may have queries. So I hope this is last way. So this is a bit lengthy. See here you can take this like P dot Q, in the intersection can be taken as dot, then plus, then P complement, like this. In digital logic type you can do, you can come down, so this is into like this, but I will prefer doing Venn diagrams. Okay, so the way I do this is, if you do this, this will give you 1. Okay, I have done. So this is basically universe. I have already answered your question, so please practice still. If I have already mentioned answer, but still let me do by the help of Venn diagram. I haven't done, but I hope this comes. I am just checking if in digital logic way this is giving the answer we are wanting. So yeah, it is giving. So because I have checked the answer, that is U, universal. So now this is U, this is P, this is Q, this is P, Q and R. Okay, so now let me number these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The universe is 8. So now first it is asking P intersection Q intersection R, union P complement Q intersection R, Q complement union R complement. Okay, so like this, P intersection Q intersection R, just the only intersection part, this part. Okay, this is the intersection of all these 3. So this is basically 5. So union P complement, apart from P, whatever it is, this complement is there. In complement it is there 3, 6, 7. Okay, intersection Q is coming down to us 2, 3, 5, 6. Then intersection R is coming as 4, 5, 6, 7. See, R is coming as 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4, 5, 6 and 7. So all this intersection. Then union, how to write this? Let me check once. Let me put it as braces also. Now union, last part, Q complement. So Q is this, complement of Q means all the others. So Q is this 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7 and the last is 8, means the universe. R complement. So R is this 1, 2, 3 and 8. Union 1, 2, 3 and 8. See, all these are union. We have to find out this common of these 3. All these 3. 3 is not common here. So let's say from this 6 is common. So put it 6. 7 is not common everywhere. All this. So this is the lowest one. So you can just check it out. 3 is not present here. 6 is present everywhere. 7 is not present here. So 5 union 6 union 1, 4, 7, 8 union 1, 2, 3, 8. So it is, let's say 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5, 6 is here, then 7, 8, 7 and 8. So this is basically our whole thing. Like even if 8 would have come, it would have been like the upward, the universe, but this the whole thing is a this whole thing is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are coming. So this is basically our universe U. Okay, so this is our correct answer. So I have already told you, you can do it like this: P dot Q dot R plus P complement dot Q dot R plus Q complement plus R complement. So let me do also this. I am feeling that so if we take this common from this to QR, so P plus P complement, which is 1, then Q plus R. So Q and R, so Q plus and R plus. So this is some absorption law is then digital. So you have to remember x into x bar y, this is x plus y. Okay, so I think distribution or absorption law, something like this, I remembered this. Okay, so now same thing is happening here. So this 2 let's say this is our x, this is our x bar, so q bar plus r bar. Okay, so this 2 is coming down to as 1, so q bar plus 1 will give you 1, so 1 is our universe. So this is in the same way we are getting this, either this or this, you can do it anyways. So I do like this kind of questions, I do prefer Venn diagram, but it's up to you. So if you love watching my videos, please do subscribe, we will do more questions, so keep watching.